It is the ability to cause change, the capacity to do work.
Energy. Energy has several forms. We all mention radiant energy, chemical energy, electrical energy, and thermal energy.
Kinetic energy is the energy a moving object has because of its motion. Depends on the mass and speed of the object. In this picture, we see how this object changed from potential energy to kinetic energy. Kinetic energy depends on the mass and velocity of the object.
Potential energy is the stored energy in an object has to do to its position. A compressed or stretched spring has potential energy. A soda pop has potential energy, and an apple hanging from a tree has potential energy.
Elastic potential energy. Energy is stored when an object is compressed or stretched.
Elastic potential energy. If you stretch a sling with a rock in it and let it go, the rock flies through the air. The stretched sling had energy stored as elastic potential energy.
Elastic potential energy. Energy stored when an object is compressed or stretched. The spring in the middle is compressed, so that means it has maximum potential energy. The picture on the right side, the spring is released, and that means it has lost potential energy.
Chemical potential energy is energy that's stored in chemical bonds.
In this picture, you see a person drinking a Monster. The Monster has chemical potential energy.
Chemical potential energy is energy stored in chemical bonds.
This battery is an example of chemical potential energy. The energy is stored in the chemical components of the battery.
Gravitational potential energy is energy stored by objects due to their position above Earth's surface. Depends on the distance above Earth's surface and the object's mass. In point A, gravitational potential energy is maximum, and point B is going to be minimum.
Total mechanical energy is the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy in a system.
A weightlifter applies force to cause a barbell to be lifted up. The barbell then possesses mechanical energy.
Total mechanical energy, sum of the potential energy and kinetic energy in a system. Mechanical energy. As you see, this is an equation of mechanical energy. So ME stands for mechanical energy, KE stands for kinetic energy, and PE stands for potential energy. So ME equals KE plus PE. Remember, mechanical energy is measured in joules.
Heat. Thermal energy that floats from a warmer material to a cooler material. Heat as a thermal energy will move from the warmer material to the cooler material.
Law of conservation of energy states that energy can never be created or destroyed.
The amount of energy in the form of electricity that goes into the light bulb has to be the same amount it goes out the light bulb, in the form of light and heat.
Work is a transfer of energy that occurs when a force makes an object move, measured in joule.
This picture shows a person lifting a book at a certain distance high. That person is doing work and also is transforming energy. In this case, we have the formula work equal force times distance, the unit of work called joules.
Power is the amount of work done in 1 second. It is the rate at which work is done. Power. The equation for power is power in watts equal work in joules divided by time in second. The SI unit for power is the watt. Percentage W. 1 watt equals 1 joule of work done in 1 second. Because the watt is a small unit, power often is expressed in kilowatts.